dusty shelf, stuck to tell the time itself. A photograph is fading now, of solemn eyes and whispered vows. I trace the lines upon the glass of memories I let to pass. And in the silence I finally see a ghost of what you meant to me. The future that we dared to plan, now slipping through this hourglass. So I whisper to the rain to wash away this silent pain, and trade 1,000 lonely souls for just one more day when we were young. Hold the light before it fades in these empty masquerades. I borrow time, the fragile flame. A million things I should have said. City lights are blood and blue, a lonely panoramic view. I hear you laugh in crowded streets, a phantom sound that never leaves. This empty room begins to speak of promises we failed to keep, and every star that dares to shine just reminds me they were never mine. The chapters that we sailed to write are burning in the dead of night. So I whisper to the rain to wash away this silent pain, and trade 1,000 lonely suns for just one more day when we were young. Hold the light before it fades in these empty masquerades. I borrow time, a fragile flame. A million things I should have said. The world keeps spinning fast and loud, a vortex in a faceless crowd. I'm reaching for a fading shore, love that is no more, no So I scream into the rain, let it drown this endless pain. I trade 1,000 lonely suns for just one more day when we were young. Oh, the light before it fades breaks these empty masquerades. I borrow time, that fragile flame. All the things I should have said, the echoes of your name are all that still remain in this whisper of